And we're going to talk about facial fillers today, particularly the hyaluronic acid ones. In this case, we're going to be doing a demonstration of pearling and Restylane, which are both natural products made out of hyaluronic acid that our body normally makes. And this is a molecule that stays inside the skin and helps with the hydration of the skin, so it draws a lot of water to it and makes us look plump and fresh and voluminous. When a baby is first born, they have a very nice and round face, like nice big cheeks, and our faces look very voluminous. As we get older, we start losing more and more fat and volume in the top part of the face, and everything starts coming down and inward. And when you look at somebody who's older, they almost look like they have more mass here and they're hollowed out on the upper part of the face. So how do we correct for that? Well, the correct way to make somebody look a little freshened up is actually not to fill in holes, but to restore the anatomy. And a big portion of what we have to do is find out where on the face exactly was the volume lost and put that volume right back to where it used to be, maybe 5, 10, 15 years ago, and sort of roll back the clock in a very natural way to create that same natural contour that we had a few years before that aging process changed it. And that's really the way to correctly and very naturally be able to put the volume back in the face and not cause a very synthetic or artificial look that people always ask me not to do. So why do we put fillers back in is because we have lost our ability to be able to make fat in certain parts of the body or lose bone. If you look at a CAT scan of somebody who is 20 and compare that CAT scan to that same person when he or she is 80, there's actual loss of not just fat and skin in the face, but actual bone that's reabsorbed. So we're constantly changing and evolving, and to keep a natural contour, we have to put natural products back to the same spot they used to be able to sort of roll back the clock and put the anatomy where it used to be. And if you put something that is permanent forever, well, as everything kind of moves down, it will not look good anymore because it needs to kind of change with time and to be freshened up to where it needs to be. So I'm going to show you today how we're going to put the cheeks back up and create more of a cheeky cheek and take care of some of the hollows of the cheek. And then we're going to do a little rejuvenation on the lips and create a little bit of a lip liner effect. And then we can put a little pout in it to look a little sexier. And then finally, we're going to be able to move the eyebrows a little higher just to be able to create more distance, which looks pretty good if you're putting on makeup, or some people just don't like the lower distance between the eyebrows. And I'm going to show how easy that is, and it's pretty instantaneous, and we can do before and afters, and you can compare.